Hi, it's me, Pam Benny. I haven't been around in a while. Seems like it's been about 2 weeks. My oldest daughter and grandkids were here from Texas for about 9 days, and so that was a lot of fun. We did something almost every day, and I miss them already, but yeah, it was just a fun time, and I enjoyed it. Today, I am one of the hosts for the Secret Santa Style hashtag Christmas in July Swap 2023. And the also Carol at Crinkled Path is the co-host, Angela with the Traveling Crafter, myself, and I will put the list of participants in the description. And like I said, it's a Secret Santa style. And this is, we're to send out 3 different packages at different times. And today you could do the first unboxing. And this is package number 1. So, and then we gave a list of things that we liked, etc. And then we exchange things. We don't know who our partner is, and then the reveal, our Secret Santa, will be on the 3rd video. So there'll be 3 videos. So let's look at the first one. And they were to be tags, I believe. Look how cute. Let me sit down here. So this is exciting and fun. Look how cute this tag is. It has a seagull and some beautiful lace and a paper flower, and looks like vintage lace at the top. Isn't that cute? And it has a little blue aqua inking. I do like aqua. And here is like a little faux postage stamp of a beach scene. And she does know I believe I like ocean or sea theme. So this is perfect. Look at that beautiful seashell. And this is fun. I think she probably made that. And some more of this. Well, this is a different trim at the top. And then it's got more of this beautiful inking. Aren't they pretty? And here's the 3rd one. So we have little extras, little inked seashell. It's pretty. And here's a faux stamp of some seagulls. So pretty, and a little beach theme. I love the beach. I love Lake Michigan. The grandkids and my daughters and family went to Lake Michigan one of the days. Just so many fun things. And then look at this one with the palm trees and the hammock. I like to lay in my hammock every now and then. And some inked faux stamps. And then inked on the back. Very pretty. Thank you, Secret Santa. And then what have we here? Another package. So pretty. What is this? I think it's hot glued on. I might have to cut it. Let's see here. What do we have? Yeah, that's hot glued on. That's pretty. It's got a little sparkly bit in there. Oh, it's a little bag. Okay. So you can reuse the bag. Oh, how pretty. It's a pink glitter glue. Very sparkly. And a silvery. That would be pretty as like a little snow color. Aren't they beautiful? Thank you so much, Secret Santa. I love it. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to put the link to the participants and check out their channels and see what they've got also, because it's really a lot of fun. Thank you, thank you. See you next time. Bye.